Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make Cobb salad with shrimp. Recipe from Nepali CBTM. Hi guys, I would like to explain about the Cobb salad. The origins of the came from Hollywood, California. The Cobb salad is a main dish, American garden salad. So these are the ingredients: romaine heart, iceberg lettuce, watercress, avocado, hard-boiled egg, bacon, lemon, cherry tomato, cheese, and protein shrimp. So you can use guy also the chicken if you have chicken, beef, and I'm going to make Nepali CBTM homemade dressing. So those are for the dressing. So I will explain later, guys. First, I'm going to marinate salt and pepper with the shrimp. So I'm going to saute in the pan 4 to 5 minutes. So I'm going to add some little bit olive oil, and then you mix shrimp with salt and pepper. So I'm going to throw the shrimp. So you saute like 4 to 5 minutes, like that. So you cook 4 to 5 minutes. After you're done, okay guys, after shrimp ready, so I'm going to cut romaine heart, watercress, and iceberg lettuce. So romaine heart, when you cut, make small dice. Very easy, very simple. And this is the iceberg lettuce. This is also called dice. This is a watercress. Usually they're using for the American kitchen and French kitchen, and this is very popular also. And this is good for digestive food, and the taste is like a mustard and wasabi, and it's very good for health. So I'm going to take out like that. It's very easy, just broke like that. And this is a cherry tomato, just cut into the two half and throw on the bowl. And this is avocado, just cut to the two half, cut in the two half. Wow, feel like that. Ooh, look at that nice color, and just do like that. Dice 1, 2, 3, 4, and take the skin. So use the whole thing. After that, I'm going to mix together the dressing, and I'm gonna put the top bacon and cheese. Okay guys, I'm going to make the Cobb salad dressing. This is recipe from Nepali CBTM. So 3 spoon olive oil, Uno, dos, tres. So 1 teaspoon mustard. So 3 teaspoon red wine vinegar. Woo! So 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce. Half teaspoon garlic powder. Half teaspoon black pepper powder. Salt to taste, sea salt. Look at that. Woo! Very nice. I love this salt. Half teaspoon brown sugar. And then whisk. Woo! Look at that. And 2 teaspoon ranch dressing. Very delicious taste. Look at that. And half lemon juice. Remove the seed, guys, first, because seed is too bitter. Ooh, look at that. Nice. And then whisk. So I'm going to taste. It's very good, savory flavor. It tastes like sweet, sour, very good, and mustard flavor. So I'm going to put the salad. Woo! Just like that. And then egg. Just cut into the half, drop here, into the half, drop here, and mix. Mix like that, because do not break the lettuce. It's gonna be soggy. So nicely, like a baby. You care like a baby. So I'm going to taste one watercress. It's very delicious, perfect seasoning. I love this salad. So I'm going to add the bacon, because this is a crispy. Just break like that, because bacon is crispy. Just put in the bowl. It's almost 2 ounce bacon. Throw out. So I'm going to plate now. Okay, I'm going to plating the 1 bowl. Cherry tomato, avocado, watercress, and this is the cheddar cheese on the top, and this is the shrimp protein. So you guys thinking this is why a big size? Because this is a late night dish. The American people using for dinner also, lunch also, so you can use it. So this is ready, the Cobb salad. Okay guys, I'm going to taste Cobb salad. This is delicious. It's a perfect seasoning. You know guys, this is a Cobb salad. It's good for health and very simple, healthy, tasty, and the Cobb salad. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Please like and subscribe my channel. If you have any suggestion about my video, then don't forget to write on comment box. Bye bye. Have a wonderful day.